make some slime with me. I already made this one. I like it, but I don't. I just added some water to it. That's why it's like weird. So I'm just mixing it in right now. But yeah, I'm gonna make some more slime because I have more glue and activator. But this is the one I made. So yeah. Yo. Alright, y'all, I'm back. So let's do this. Also, don't mind that I got glue on my shirt. So yeah. I'm gonna like some glue in here. I'm not gonna make a big one. We're just gonna do that much. Because yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, guys, so got my spoon. I'm actually gonna add some more glue because I'm not gonna add too much more because I have shaving cream. Oh, well, I can't add any more. Oh. Alright, here we go, guys. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. Ooh. I'm not adding any water this time because there's no. I got some on my chin. What the frick?
Almost identical to the side, same size. To tell you right, so what's wrong? My computer.
That would not have been good.
I would have laughed.
Girl, it would be broken.
Not necessarily.
We did it, y'all. Okay. It's activating. You just gotta let it take a sec. Gotta let it take a second. You gotta take it. It takes a second to actually activate. I'm gonna add like water, but I'm not gonna add too much. It does come out fast though. That's why I added a lot last time. That's enough for now. Also, guys, don't mind the thunder in the background. It's raining and thundering. So. Mom, on the weather notifications, does it like move to like Nebraska since it's tracking my location?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Guys, it formed. It's kind of sticky though. But that's because it hasn't like formed all the way. But it's like needs a little more activator. I gotta open a new one. Oh gosh. Oh. Oh yes, it's taking off the slime. Like, I don't need this much slime on my hand right now. Alright, guys. Okay. That was a lot. That's not sticky anymore. Okay. Perfect. Bro, why is it turning out to be the other one? Like, it's actually making me mad. It's so slippery. Oh, maybe because I haven't added shaving cream yet. Oh, it's kind of overactivated. It's okay. So, boom, 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 boom.
What? I said, we'll have to look at this one. Which one? The Palisade. Where is it at? Right here. Oh, I told you on my side. You can send it to you?
Yeah.
I'll email it to you.
You want to email it?
So cute.
Just an incredible story. Now I want to show you more of the nation's natural beauty. This time with a focus on the wildlife. Juneau, Alaska is one of the world's
Juneau, Alaska? I know Alaska. I just think it's
Oh, I forgot I had this glue.
They're around about the same price, but that one's just got less mileage on it.
Okay guys, it's way better. It just needs a little more activator. It's so much better than the last two colors. It's so sticky though. Okay, this is way better. It's because I added the shaving cream after I was done making the slime. Because before, I added it like while I was making the slime. But I figured out the method. You have to make it when the slime is all activated. Guys, this is necessary, okay? It's necessary to add this much shaving cream into slime if you want it fluffy. and big. What kind of name is that? And it makes it so much bigger. Hold on, guys. This is actually really good.
No.
Okay, this is actually so much better than the last one. Actually, bro. So much good. So good, so good. It's very, very jiggly. So I'm gonna put some more water because, yeah. It just needs a little more. And it's making my hands cold. And I'll have sun hands if my hands are cold. Because it has ice.
Outside?
It has ice, so it's so
Yeah,
good.
it is. It's got,
Oh,
if that's the same size,
close
it'll
call.
tell you right. Like identically the same size.
30,000 now.
26.
I put more glue and more activator in it. And I kind of ruined it, but
A trip to the movies can change how you think and feel about the world around you. Hollywood's iconic film studios help shape American culture, dreams, fears, and hopes of a nation shown to audiences around the globe. I'm here in Los Angeles to learn more about the film industry's massive impact. Shocking plots, beloved characters, lives we told for years. American cinema tells our story. This is the 2025 National Film Festival. At the end of each year, the Library of Congress adds movies to its National Film Registry, preserving the art form for generations to come.
I think we should probably ambassadors talk about education.
Dr. Priya Jayakumar teaches film studies at the University of Southern California. She spoke about how American movies are received here and abroad, like the Hollywood classic The Wizard of Oz, a 1989 addition to the National Film Registry.
It is quintessentially, I think, the American fairy tale. Here you have a little kid from Kansas, and she's singing about his promised land somewhere over the New which is very much part of the American immigrant dream. There's also a group of children who realize that they have that power within them.
a what?
It sounds like a bowl of water.
What?
One of those stand out. It was added to the National Film Registry in 2025 for facing the AIDS crisis head on, preventing homophobia, and tackling the concept of justice for all.
It gives you more choices.
Hmm?
The cars, it gives you more choices.